Well, I'm standing outside of a Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef, one-bedroom deluxe villa here in Orlando, Florida. We're going to take a look at it, coming right up. Hello, I'm Jeremy and welcome to Destination Timeshare. Before we head in here and take a look at our one-bedroom deluxe villa here at Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef in Orlando, Florida, I just want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love staying at these beautiful timeshare resorts, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to subscribe and also hit that notification bell down below and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head on inside here. We're going to take a look at our villa, 3213 in the Magnolia building here at Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef. Now something to keep in mind here is we're in the Club Wyndham section. This is actually a split resort. Half of it, or at least two buildings here, are Worldmark by Wyndham here in Orlando. And then we have the Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef here as well. So two newer buildings. This building and villa is only about a year old, so it's in really great shape. Let's head on in and take a look. When we head into the one-bedroom villa here at Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef, the first thing you're going to see here is a dining room table. Just a small dining room area here with 4 chairs and a table. Then that leads directly into the kitchen area. Beautiful kitchen, granite countertops, a very large and deep kitchen sink there as well. You do have your full set of appliances, oven, range, microwave, dishwasher, and a full-size refrigerator. No stainless steel here though, like we're used to at many of the other timeshare properties that we visit of other timeshare brands. But definitely a fully stocked kitchen here can get you through your stay with just about anything that you need to cook. You also have your full set of small appliances, coffee maker, and toaster in here as well. And of course, there's also the full set of dinnerware, glassware, silverware, and cooking utensils. As we make our way towards the living room, we're going to stop by here and take a quick look at a couple of closets. One of them, just a small utility closet, does have a broom, dustpan, and your iron and ironing board. There's also some hangers in here to also hang some things up. And beside that, you do have a pretty good sized pantry area here, several shelves, so any groceries you buy, there's lots of room to put them in the pantry here. No need to kind of find places around the kitchen to stack them or hide them in cupboards. Now let's head in and take a look at the living room. 2 chairs, a couple of small coffee tables, a couple of side tables, and a nice sleeper sofa in here as well. We found this room to be pretty nicely decorated. These villas are only about a year old as of the time I'm recording these, so they're in pretty good shape. Pretty new villas here at Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef. There is also a very large TV stand, lots of storage in there, and a large flat screen television hanging above it on the wall. Now let's make our way into the bedroom area. You do have a king-size bed in here and a couple of nightstands there as well. Seemed like a pretty good size bedroom here for a one-bedroom villa. There's also a small bench over in the corner and a large chest of drawers with a television up above there as well. This bedroom also had a pretty good view out the window to a small courtyard area that the buildings surround here at Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef definitely did let in a lot of light. It certainly wasn't a dark bedroom here at all. Just off the bedroom is also where you're going to find the in-room laundry. Stacking washer and dryer here. One thing that we weren't really too big on is having the laundry pretty much in the bedroom area. So if you're trying to do maybe a load of laundry at night before you go to bed, you're going to have that thing making a lot of noise while you're trying to fall asleep. So we weren't too big on that. And then beside the laundry was a small closet here. Some room to hang some things up, a shelf in there for some storage, some extra bedding, most likely for that sleeper sofa out in the living room. And this is also where you'll find the in-room safe. Now it's time to head into the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom here. Again, granite countertops, lots of storage in that vanity. Just a single sink here, but also a large mirror on the wall. Definitely a really good sized bathroom here. And it also does have a beautiful walk-in shower. Very large shower here. Great tiled floors. Just a beautiful bathroom here in these villas at Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef. All right, so I've made it out here to the balcony of our Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef one-bedroom deluxe villa, and nothing really special about this balcony. In fact, it isn't even screened in, which is a little bit unfortunate. Sometimes having that screen there keeps the bugs out. There's also no ceiling fan, but they do have an electrical outlet out here. The ceiling fan situation here is these Club Wyndham villas do not have them. That's the building that's behind me here and the one we're in. Those are Club Wyndham. They do not have ceiling fans. The Worldmark buildings, the two buildings that are Worldmark here, they do have ceiling fans out on the balconies, out on the patios, but not really sure what those rooms look like. Those buildings are a fair bit older than these ones here. If you're staying at Club Wyndham, this is the type of villa that you would definitely expect to be in, whereas I really can't speak for those ones over in the Worldmark buildings. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. It helps push them out to more people looking to visit Orlando. And if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Worldmark and Club Wyndham Kingstown Reef, check out this one right up here, and YouTube. They think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.